All right, you guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do something fun. We're gonna do a pumpkin spice latte pour over. What we're gonna use to do this today is our limited edition pumpkin spice Formula 1. So this is your healthy meal replacement. And we're also gonna use our house blend flavored protein iced coffee. The protein iced coffee is so great because here we have 15 grams of protein and only 100 calories and less than 1 gram of sugar. So this is an incredible thing to have as a snack during the day. And we also have the mocha flavored in the protein iced coffee. If that's your jam, today we're going to use the house blend because it's a little creamier. We're also going to mix this in a shaker cup, and then we're gonna pour it over the ice that I already have here ready to go. And so basically this, you guys, is gonna be a shake. You totally could use it for a snack also. It's gonna give you about 24 grams of protein in about, well, just under 200 calories. And it is a complete meal replacement. Now, ordinarily when we make our shakes, we use our protein drink mix, and there is a difference. The protein drink mix does have 15 grams of protein also. It's also about 100 calories. It's 110 calories actually. But it's loaded with nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that your body needs. 21 essential vitamins and minerals. So this really is more nutritionally sound for your everyday meal replacement. And we're gonna use a little bit of this. I'll show you how in just a second. But instead of this for our shake today, we're gonna use this as your protein base. So to get this started, what I'm gonna do, as always, when you're using a shaker cup, you need to put your fluid in first. So I have chilled water from the refrigerator, and I'm gonna put in about 12 ounces of cold water right there. Actually, that's 10 ounces of cold water. And then we're gonna put our 2 scoops of our Formula 1 and 2 scoops of our protein iced coffee in here and shake it up. Now, as always with this kind of a shaker cup, swirl it around so that all of the fluid is surrounded by water before you start shaking up. Otherwise, a lot of your powder gets stuck up here. Okay, so we've got this all shaken up. I'm gonna grab my ice water here, but before I pour that in, I'm also going to mix up about half of a scoop of the PDM, just about half a scoop. I'm gonna mix it in here with a little bit of water, and I'm gonna put this on top like a topping cream. It's gonna make it a little bit creamier, maybe a little sweeter tasting, and it's just good fun. This is totally optional. You don't have to do this. Okay, now set that aside, and for this, pour it right over the ice. And pour this right over the top. And there you go. 24 grams of protein, less than 200 calories, complete meal, and tastes delicious.